Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to increase font size on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to increase font size on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and when this panel appears you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and over here scroll down and you can see the chat settings available for us over here just above the privacy and security. Tap on chat settings, and now to increase your font size on Telegram guys, you can see where it is the message text size. Now there's a slider available for us over here. Now in order to increase your font size, you can simply slide the slider to the right side, and you can see on the demo picture the font size is increasing, and increase it to your preference, and after that the font size on your Telegram will be increased. And with that being said guys, this is how to increase font size on your Telegram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.